lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? I hope you're doing great today. For today, what I'm going to do is cash stuffing our group play, and the amount that I will save today is gonna be $80. And before that, please let me greet you a thank you, and I'm really grateful that I'm part of this community, the community that I feel like I belong. So let's start. So I'm not doing strictly the collab first. I'm doing the group play monthly 7 chess monthly group plays that it's in this binder. And let me start here on Kimi's group play. So I already saved here to this is a full group play from January to December. She still also have a 12 months of roll and save, but I'm using this one, and let's see if I can do the roll and save also. So how much we need here to complete this challenge? Let me check. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So $14. So let me get $14. That's the thing. I don't have smaller notes. 14 plus 6. So 20, right? 14 plus 6. Okay, let me get 20 here. And this is done. Yay! Shortcut. Okay, so I can go to the next one next time. Okay, I will just put the money here and I will reallocate. Let's see how can I do it. I will reallocate it at the end of this year, or I will just get it and use it for a different purpose. So let's see. So for next one is from Tiny Budget Co. And I want to finish this also, but let's see. This is a roll and save. So let's do that. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 2, 1 more, and a 1. So how much? 4, 5, 7, 10, 13. So $13. And this one I will keep it for to the box of say completed saving challenge. And next one, this is from Pam of Gaming Grammar Budgets. It's a roll and save also. Let's see. I want to make it quick. I'll do 2 4-sided dice. Okay. Okay, let's do 4-sided dice too. So 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 1 and 2. No, just make it 2 then. So, okay. So, 2, 6, 10, 17, 21. So, 21. Okay. Let me get some change first. Just hang on. Okay. So, 21. And this is done. Yay. So, 21. So, this is done. Another challenge done. Do you want to ring the bell? Ring the bell. Ding ding. Okay, so next one is February. I will just keep it in here. All right. Oh, 21 plus this. 24. Oh no. So this is 24. Let me put here $24. Okay. So we only have 30 something. So for Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey, let's see. So let me save here. I cannot finish it today. I cannot complete it today. Let's see. It's too much. 6, 10. It's 23. I have 23. No, 22. So 22. Let's put here 20. And let's cross this out. So 20, 11, and 7, 9, 20. Isn't it? 11, 18, 20. So I only have one here left. So this one, I don't know what's that for, but I'll just do like that. Okay. So 20. The total amount saved here. 24 for now. And for this one, for Miss Ellie on Earth, this is a roll and save. And I have here IOU of $1. So let's take out the IOU. Okay. So let me roll and save here. So 3. We only have $11. One more. So 1. Another $4. So one more. So 2. So total here $10. Let me get this. Okay. And last one for group play is by Restoration by Autumn. So I will roll and save as well of 4-sided dice. So 2, another 2. How much we have here? 2, 4, and $1. So I have excess here $1. And that's it for this challenge. Let's get here. And for the collaboration, I will not do it today. I will do it next time. So I also want to save for this collaboration. I just print it out today and make it a smaller version. So this is Yearly Save Self-Care Collab by 12 different creators, or I think 11 different creators. So for the January, creation by Monica. So I just let you know. So this is, I haven't used it yet. So this is a box challenge from Saving with Save Creations by Monica. Creations by Monica. And then February is positive changes. So I make it smaller. Sorry about that. Yeah. And I will bind it to, I will put it on the envelope later on if the envelope arrives. So March is the scriber. It's all about self-care. April is from Nikki of Dragonfly Saves. Okay. See, I didn't cut it out. I just put it like this. And for May, this is from Save with Rose. June is from Anne Cassius. It's all freebie on their coffee shop. And July is from, I don't have the July one. I don't have the July one yet. I cannot find it. So the July one is from Budget Like a Girl. I cannot find the challenge. So this one is from Creations by Elvira. This is August. September is from Fantasy Budgets. And October is from Positive Changes as well. Again, yeah, this one is Positive Changes. This is this A6 and A5 actually, but I print it together on one A4 paper. And then for November is from Little Green Cottage. It's a set of 3 challenges. Okay. And for December is from Mom Life Co. Yeah. So you will see this on my collaboration challenges next time, maybe next month. Because maybe I don't know if I can film more because I'm leaving soon to going to the Philippines. So let's see if I can film one or two videos. But I just put it in here. And for the collab that I didn't do today, sorry about that for my lovely's 1K, 2K subscribers collaboration. I didn't do it today. I will do it next time. So that one is from the month of February. This is from Gaming Drama Budget. It's the same game board, the same style, but different theme. As you can see, this is really nice. It's a Valentine's theme. It's called Happy Valentine's to the Lovely's 1K, 2K collaboration. Alright, so for the other challenges that I have here, this is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. I didn't do it today. And for Miss Judy of Save Sunday Playing with Friends, I didn't save it here. I didn't save this genome yet. I owe here $2. So and And for my own challenge, I didn't do today. This is let's drink to that. If you want to save with me, go to my coffee shop. And Kiwis, I'm done. So next time I will do all the collaborations. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for being here. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Oh, hold on. I forgot I still have $1 here. So this one is from, I will put all the leftover dollar, the catch all money in this envelope. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner. So I just want to save like this, and I give the blessings to other people. my friends, my relatives, and I put it on our help envelope when I already finished this challenge or already completed this challenge. So let me put here three. So now it's $3. All right, that's all for today, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Hope to see you next week. Let's hope. Bye. God bless.